If your Steam game is not launching, crashing on startup, or just doing nothing when you click play, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. We'll start with the simplest solutions and move into the deeper ones so you can get back into your game as quickly as possible. This guide works for most Steam games, and it can help with missing files, permission issues, driver problems, cache errors, and even Windows conflicts. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, we're going to verify the integrity of your game files. This is one of the best fixes because sometimes a game won't launch simply because one or more files are corrupted or missing. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game that won't open, and select Properties. Then click Installed Files and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game and automatically replace any damaged or missing files it finds. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so give it time to finish. Once that's done, try launching the game again and see if the problem is resolved. If the game still won't start, the next thing to try is running it as an administrator. Some games need elevated permissions to launch properly, especially if they need to access certain system files or settings. To do this, go back to the game in Steam, select Manage, and click Browse Local Files. This will open the folder where the game is installed. Find the main game executable file, the .exe file, right-click it, and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, then check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. After that, launch the game again and check whether it opens correctly. If you're still stuck, a simple restart can make a huge difference. Steam or the game may have a background process that's frozen, and a full reboot clears all of that out. Close Steam completely, restart your computer, and then open Steam again before trying the game once more. This sounds basic, but it solves a lot of startup issues. Next, we should clear the Steam download cache. Over time, cache data can become corrupted and interfere with launching, updating, or verifying games. In Steam, click Steam in the top left corner, go to Settings, then Downloads, and choose Clear Cache. Steam may ask you to sign in again after this, which is normal. Once the cache is cleared, restart Steam and test the game again. Another common reason a game won't launch is outdated graphics drivers. Whether you use Nvidia, AMD, or Intel, your GPU drivers need to be up to date so games can run properly. Go to the official driver page for your graphics card brand, download the latest driver, install it, and restart your computer if needed. If the game starts after updating drivers, then the issue is likely a graphics compatibility problem. You should also check your antivirus or firewall settings. Sometimes security software blocks a game by mistake, especially after an update or when a game tries to create or access files on launch. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall just long enough to test whether the game opens. If it does, you'll want to add the game or Steam as an exception instead of leaving protection off permanently. That keeps your system secure while preventing false blocks. Now let's check system requirements, because sometimes the game isn't launching simply because the PC doesn't fully meet the minimum specs. Compare your processor, RAM, graphics card, and available storage with the game's official requirements on Steam or the publisher's website. If your hardware is below the minimum, the game may fail to launch, crash instantly, or get stuck on startup. And finally, make sure Windows is fully updated. Missing system updates can cause compatibility issues with newer games in Steam itself. Open Windows Settings, go to Windows Update, and install any available updates. Once your PC is fully updated, restart again and try launching the game one more time. At this point, most Steam launch issues are usually fixed. Start with Verify Game Files, then run as administrator, restart your PC, clear the download cache, update your GPU drivers, check security software, confirm system requirements, and update Windows. Follow those steps in order and you'll give yourself the best chance of solving the issue quickly. If this tutorial helped you fix your Steam game not launching, please hit like, subscribe for more gaming and tech tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific error or game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.